2015 Ford Fusion. If you guys didn't know. See, it says it right there. Anyways, what we got done on it, something way too special. You don't see this. It's got two factory converters, one there, one there. Got a resonator right there. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And we put, what is the, can you grab me the box for that, Tim, please? We put a special FLOWMASTER on it for you. When was the last time you guys saw a Fusion with a FLOWMASTER? And not any FLOWMASTER, a special design FLOWMASTER, just for this beautiful Fusion SE. So, I'll get you guys the part number in a second. Any second, any minute, here it comes. 8425, I think. Anyways, yeah. 8425. I don't know if it's missing any more numbers. But anyways, it's supposed to fit on a Chevy Corvette 2016, 2017. But it works perfect for this too. It's a Super 44 FLOWMASTER. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second, and we'll see if we can have a link in the description for you. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh, not too bad. Super 44. And that resonator needs to come off. Then it'll be a lot louder. Ford Fusion SE. Here's sound decibels. 84. Go ahead and back it out. Alejandro, just go ahead and do theirs. Get the key from them, scan it, see which one it needs, and just fix it. Yeah. Muchacho! Not bad. It's got a little bit of a tone. Nothing major. Ford Fusion SE. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh man, it's got a nice dragon on it too. That's awesome. Ford performance. And like again, Fusion! Gotta have the Fusion. The FLOWMASTER 44. It's got a nice deep tone to it, not bad.